Okay, so let's face it. In the age of AI, the old rulebook for data analytics, it's pretty much out the window. Today, we're going to walk through a new blueprint from Databricks that's all about modernizing your entire data strategy. The goal here is to build an analytics system that isn't just powerful, but one that's fast, trusted, and genuinely intelligent.
And I mean, things are changing fast. The explosion of AI and the constant demand for instant insights are putting a ton of pressure on older systems. You know, the tools that felt like they were cutting edge just a few years ago, well, now they're really starting to show their age, and they're struggling to keep up.
So, does any of this sound familiar to you? Your dashboards are just slow. They can't handle the crazy amount of data you're throwing at them, and getting real-time information feels like you're fighting an uphill battle every single day. If you're nodding along, you are definitely not alone. This is what's happening in so many organizations that are stuck with outdated infrastructure. So what's the real problem here? Well, a lot of the time it comes down to this. You have a patchwork of different tools that have been cobbled together over the years. What that creates is a system with fragile data pipelines, inconsistent results, and it's just so complex that it's slow to change. It's an architecture that's actually holding you back from innovating. And that's exactly why we need a new blueprint. We're going to dive into what are being called the 5 pillars of modern analytics. Think of it as a roadmap to building a single, unified foundation that's not just an upgrade for right now, but is specifically designed for the future, for the age of AI.
All right, let's get into it. Pillar number 1 is all about the foundation. You know, just like building a house, if you don't get the foundation right, everything else is going to be a mess. And in this new world of data, that foundation is built on a totally different kind of architecture. At the heart of this foundation, you've got 2 really important pieces. Down at the bottom, you have open data formats like DataLake and Iceberg. Now, this is so important because it means your data isn't locked up in some proprietary system. And then sitting right on top of that is the real brain of the operation, Unity Catalog. It's a single governance layer that controls everything, access, lineage, you name it, from raw data all the way to AI models, all in one spot.
So this whole setup has a name. It's called a lakehouse. It's basically a hybrid that gives you the best of both worlds, the massive scale of a data lake combined with the structure and performance of a data warehouse. And here's the absolute game changer. Everything, your BI reports, your SQL queries, your AI models, they all run on the exact same copy of the data. No more moving and duplicating data all over the place. So let's just quickly recap the benefits here because they're huge. First off, using open storage means you're not locked into one vendor. You have freedom and control. Second, that unified governance layer acts like a central command center for all your data. And maybe most important of all, because everyone is working from that single source of truth, you get consistent, trustworthy answers, no matter if you're looking at a dashboard or asking a question to an AI. Okay, so pillar number 2, the pipelines. We've got our solid foundation, right? But how do we actually get good, clean, reliable data flowing into it, fresh and ready to go? Well, that's where modern data pipelines come in. Instead of that old, messy patchwork of different tools, the modern way is to use a single unified system like Lakeflow. It takes care of the whole journey for your data, from ingestion and transformation all the way to orchestration. It's really the intelligent, automated plumbing for our modern data house. This leads to a really massive shift in how we build these things, and it's called declarative data engineering. The best way to think about it is like using a GPS. You don't tell your GPS every single turn to make, right? You just tell it where you want to go. It's the same idea here. You just define the end state you want for your data, and the platform is smart enough to figure out the best way to get it there, handling all the scheduling, scaling, and even fixing itself if something breaks. And the impact of this is just massive. You go from all this messy, manual work to a streamlined, automated process. Not only does that mean your data is way more reliable, but it frees up your engineers from constantly firefighting. And, this is key, with AI-assisted tools built in, it opens up the world of data engineering to a much wider group of people, not just the expert coders. All right, pillar number 3, the common language. So we've got fresh, reliable data flowing in. Awesome. But now we run into a classic business headache. How do you make sure that when the sales team says active customer, they mean the exact same thing as the marketing team? And this slide just nails the problem, doesn't it? On the left, you've got total chaos. That's the old way. Every team has their own definitions buried in their own BI tool, and you end up in meetings arguing about whose numbers are right. But on the right, the new way, you establish a single source of truth. All that business logic is defined one time in one central place for everyone. So how do we do that? Well, it's something called a semantic layer. Honestly, just think of it as a central dictionary for your entire business. It defines all your key metrics, things like revenue or customer churn, in one spot. And what's so critical is that it provides context that both humans looking at dashboards and AI agents can understand. It creates that common language. And look, this is absolutely non-negotiable in the age of AI. It's not just about making dashboards look the same. Your AI assistants need this clear, governed context to give you answers you can actually trust. When you define this common language at the platform level, you're making sure that every analysis, whether it's done by a human or a machine, is built on a foundation of truth.
Okay, moving on to pillar number 4, AI dashboards. We have the foundation, we have the pipelines, we have the common language. Now let's talk about how we actually look at our data, starting with the good old dashboard.
You know the old drill, right? You slowly extract data, you move it into a separate BI tool, you build your dashboard, and then it's probably already stale. The new way is totally different. We're talking about AI-powered dashboards that are native to the platform. That means they run directly on live, governed data in the lakehouse, with AI baked in from the very beginning.
And you can see it right here. A user is literally just talking to their data, asking follow-up questions in plain English right from inside the dashboard. Instead of clicking through 50 different menus, you can just describe the chart you want to see, and the AI assistant helps you build it, just like that.
The wins here are just game-changing. By getting rid of data extracts, you get faster, more secure analytics. The AI-driven creation process just crushes development time. And this is a big one. Because this model often avoids those expensive per-user licensing fees, you can finally give everyone in your organization access to these powerful self-service tools.
And that brings us to our 5th and final pillar. And honestly, this might be the most transformative one of all. What if you could just skip the dashboard altogether? What if you could just have a conversation with your data?
Well, that's the whole idea behind a tool like AI/BI Genie. It's basically a conversational assistant that lets anyone in the company, anyone, regardless of their technical skills, ask super complex questions just by typing or speaking. And in return, they get trusted answers, charts, and summaries, all generated on the fly from that live governed data in the lakehouse.
Now I want to be really clear here. This is not some generic chatbot. This is a true expert assistant that is deeply grounded in your company's unique data. It understands your specific business context, it learns from feedback, and it basically becomes a trusted analytics specialist for your entire organization.
So let's just pull it all together. You start with a unified lakehouse foundation, so you can get rid of silos. You build automated pipelines, so your data is always fresh and reliable. You create a common language, so everybody is on the same page. You deploy AI-powered dashboards for super-fast interactive analysis. And finally, you give everyone a conversational AI assistant. Put them all together, and these 5 pillars create a single, incredibly powerful system that truly makes data accessible for everyone. And that leaves us with this one really exciting thought. What's the very first question you would ask if your data could finally talk back?